In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first, open the clock app, then select alarm. From here, you should see any alarms created on your phone, and to change the alarm sound, just select the alarm, and then in the editing menu, look for the option alarm sound. Now here you can choose to enable or disable this option, and then if you wish to change it, you can choose to have a Spotify song or a pre-installed tone from your device. So say you've selected a pre-installed tone, then you have all these different options that you can use, and it's up to you to decide which one works for you. Then once you've selected a tone, you also have the option for it to read time and alarm name aloud and gradually increase volume the longer you don't switch it off. So it's up to you to customize these two options, and then you can go back and that tone will be set. If, however, you decide to use a Spotify song, you'll just select Spotify and then go through any of these options until you select the one you want. Once you've selected one, a preview will play, and then you can just go back and use this slider to increase or decrease the sound. So you can increase or decrease to your liking. Then go back to the alarm editing menu and ensure that you tap on save to apply the changes. So now the alarm sound for that specific alarm has been changed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.